Working in my October daily. It's day 7. I used the prompt for a favorite chili weather recipe, and it is chili. So day 6, day 7, stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie. I'm here with my October daily, and just so you can see, I did go back and I wrote on my Apple page, and I wrote on the back of the tag, and I wrote my story here, pretty much the same thing I told you in the video. And yeah, so I don't know if I was already doing that, but the temperature for the day and that it was sunny, you know, because you can write that kind of information. So this is my day 6, and that was Sunday. I was still sick, but we were working on making some changes in our home. Like I've said before, several of our friends have moved away, and we've acquired some new stereo equipment, new furniture, things, and they haven't gotten a home yet. So my husband and I worked on that. He worked on the stereo most of the day. It required an antenna and all kinds of other stuff. So I'm telling the story inside here. I also redid what we call our grand bathroom. We have a grand room, you know, the extra living room space, and it has a bathroom that is, anyway, it's got a big, huge bathtub, and it's awesome, and I redecorated it. I painted some furniture or accessories that went in there, and so I will be putting the picture there, and I tell about that here. And then this right here, this was the page that was here. It's kind of funny because my husband struggled with the stereo, so I tell a little bit about that story here, and I just have it crumpled up or folded up in there. These were pieces from the belly band that I made in my journal that I'm making for the challenge, and these were the pieces that were left over, and I just used them to hold this in. And I'll put the picture of the new stereo piece of furniture that we got from a friend, and the stereo, and the picture will go here, and then the picture of the grand bathroom will go down below. So here it was the 6th, so I've used one of the flinch cards. These are the flinch cards printed at 3.5 by 5. Those are available in digital format in the Dear Julie Etsy shop. You're welcome to pick them up there. Purchase them there. And so day 6, it was 88 degrees. The low was 48. And so I'm making our house a home. And then on Monday, I just wrote the story about Monday. I drove to Ojai to help my son. And so this was a card that was in Happy Mail, or it might have been a swap, but it was in my pile of fall stuff. So I used that as a tuck spot to put my story. I'm just using the ticket here to cover up the story. So it's Monday the 7th. 88 degrees was the high, 48 was the low. It was sunny. And then from the prompt list, I did my favorite chili weather recipe, and I just wrote it out here because after I told the story for Monday, there's no pictures or anything. I used the prompt and used it here. So one of the pieces from this card, I just added it here to the washi tape, and that is my day 7. So very, very simply, I actually didn't use a prompt. I went by what we did for the day, and I told about that there. And then here I did what we did for the day. I had some blank space, so I used a prompt there. So I hope you are enjoying this. Again, the prompts, I have the word a day, and also the October moments and memories prompts that I'm using. And those are available. It's a picture that I shared in the Scrap All About It with Dear Julie Facebook group. You're welcome to join us there. And also, don't forget, if you are doing and joining in on the October Daily, use the hashtag October Daily or hashtag October Daily 2019. so that we can share and see each other's, what everybody's doing. I know that Jessica over at I'm a Cool Mom is using that hashtag, and I believe April at Pink Oddbird is using that one along with another hashtag. So do check those out. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for being here, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.